In this video, I'll be going over the translation Roma et Italia in Latin for Americans Lesson 1. As I go through these translations, I'll circle the verbs, I'll put X's over the nominative case, which is usually the subject or predicate nominative, and I'll put A's over the ablatives. So the first one is Roma, which is Rome, is in Italy, and so in takes the ablative. Italia is in Europe. Britannia is in Europe. And Britannia is an island. Notice here the verb to be, S, will take nominative on both sides. When we learn direct objects, this will be different, but that's nominative on both sides of the verb. Italia is not an island, again, another predicate nominative. Italia is almost an island, another predicate nominative. Italia is a peninsula. Sicily and Sardinia are islands. Notice this AE is nominative plural. So as you have two singulars, you get a plural. The islands, again nominative plural, are in the water. Australia is an island, but Asia is not an island. There are, and notice that sunt also will have the pronoun there are, roads and forests in the peninsula, or the peninsula Italy is literally what that says. I know it's kind of awkward. So this one's a tough sentence, so I will go start all the way here. There are, and notice how I started the sentence all the way at the end. There are roads and forests and peninsulas in Europe, ablative. Italy and Greece and Spain are peninsulas. Notice that's a nominative plural because it's referring to three singulars. And notice how the verb was all the way at the end, but I translated it in the middle of the sentence. Rome is, again, I'm going all the way to the end of the sentence to translate the verb, is not in Greece, but in Italy. Is Greece in Europe? There is, and notice I put a pronoun there to make the sentence make sense. So there is water in Antarctica, but there are not forests in Antarctica. Now I'll start the sentence all the way at the end with the verb there. There are not forests in Africa. And then a tip to translate in Latin is if you find the verb first, and then sometimes the sentence will make sense. Again, is America an island?